Have a very shining morning, dear students. We are here in continuation of learning parts of speech. I have taught about noun, pronoun, verb, adjective and adverb in my last videos of grammar. Today I picked the preposition to get it done in this video. So let's get started without getting late with the definition of preposition. In prepositions, the words and group of words are positioned before a noun or a pronoun to describe its relation with some other word in the sentence, such as in, on, into, of, etc. संबंध सूचक अव्यय वे शब्द या शब्दों का समूह है जो आम तौर पर किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के पहले स्थित किया जाता है और वह संबंध सूचक अव्यय उस संज्ञा या सर्वनाम का संबंध किसी दूसरे शब्द से प्रदर्शित करता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फार्मर इज इन द फील्ड, किसान खेत में है। टॉय इज ऑन द टेबल, खिलौना मेज पर है। द माउस जम्प्ड इनटू द पॉट, चूहा बर्तन के भीतर कूद गया। Dear students, you can see the prepositions in the circles. There are 4 forms of preposition. Number 1, simple preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition. साधारण संबंध सूचक अव्यय, संयुक्त संबंध सूचक अव्यय, वाक्यांश संबंध सूचक अव्यय, कृदंत संबंध सूचक अव्यय. Forwarding to the description of these forms. Number 1, simple preposition. Simple words like at, by, for, in, out, through, till, to, up, in, of, at, by, from, of, on, with, down, etc. when used as preposition are called simple preposition. जब इन शब्दों को संबंध सूचक अव्यय की तरह उपयोग किया जाता है तो उसे साधारण संबंध सूचक अव्यय कहा जाता है। Let's move on the compound preposition. संयुक्त संबंध सूचक अव्यय. Sometimes the prepositions are prefixed with a, b, etc. to form compound prepositions. कभी-कभी संबंध सूचक अव्यय बनाने के लिए कुछ शब्दों के आगे a, b, be, आदि लगाया जाता है तो उसे संयुक्त संबंध सूचक अव्यय कहा जाता है। या जो प्रीपोजिशंस किसी नाउन, एडजेक्टिव या एडवर्ब में प्रीफिक्स जोड़कर बनाए जाते हैं वे कंपाउंड प्रीपोजिशन कहलाते हैं। वे ऊपरी तौर पर एक शब्द के प्रीपोजिशंस जैसे दिखाई देते हैं, जैसे अबाउट, अबव, अक्रॉस, along, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, without, etc. These are called compound preposition. Now it's turn to describe phrase preposition. वाक्यांश संबंध सूचक अव्यय. कुछ phrases भी single prepositions का काम करते हैं. Phrase preposition is a group of words used together as a single preposition. जब कुछ शब्दों के समूह को एक साथ एक संबंध सूचक अव्यय की तरह प्रयुक्त किया जाता है तब उसे वाक्यांश संबंध सूचक अव्यय कहा जाता है. Some phrase prepositions are flashing on your screen, dear students. According to, in consequence of, agreeably to, in course of, along with, in favor of, away from, in front of, because of, in lieu of, by dint of, by means of, in place of, by reason of, in reference to, by virtue of, in regard to, by way of, in spite of, conformably to, instead of, for the sake of, in the event of, in accordance with, on account of, in addition to, owing to, in behalf of, on behalf of, with a view to, in case of, with an eye to, in comparison to, with reference to, in compliance with regard to. These are the examples of phrase preposition. Now, participle prepositions. कुछ present participles भी prepositions की तरह प्रयोग किए जाते हैं, जैसे concerning, considering, bearing, during, notwithstanding, pending, regarding, respecting, touching, etc. इनका किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम से कोई संबंध नहीं होता है. The present participles of some verbs like as above are used by themselves without being attached to any noun or pronoun. When used as a preposition, these are referred to as participle prepositions. Dear students, that's it for today. See you in the next video with something more about prepositions, because the preposition is the lengthiest part of parts of speech. Till then, keep watching all these videos as your revision work. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, do subscribe, like and share the videos so that others may also take advantages of these videos. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you may get the information of my every new video. Thank you.